After we ripped up the rest of the tile or linoleum, we found that it's rotten all the way over to here. So we took out the cassette toilet or whatever you call it. And we're willing to bet it's going to be bad over here. So we have already bought the wood and are replacing the entire floor. And we're wanting to take the stove out, so all of this is fine. We're going to try and keep this together as much as possible because we do not want this project right now. These are the wood replacements, and I'm kiltsing them. Kilts, is that how you say it? Kills? Kills primer. Because these are not primed at all on the bottom, so we decided to just do it just in case. We figured it better safe than sorry.
I need to get my handy dandy dikes in here. Zip tie, just we'll remember.
Okay.
And we'll take this gasket loose here. And then I'll have to take this one apart down below. Get that one down, and then we can take all that loose and then lift the whole thing out of here. Okay.
And that way we can keep it together. And if we can just put it right there on top of that bed.
Or I can sit. Oh, no.
Because we have to put the flooring, yeah.
I'm gonna get my wrench.
Oh, that is the sink drawer. And that over there. We're gonna maximize as much space. Like, I don't understand, like, what's going on up there that you need all of that space, all that empty space. I mean, let's just maximize this as much as possible. And we're gonna try and salvage this stove here, and I want to keep the sink.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and detach the gas line that goes up to the stove. I've got my wrenches on here. Nice and tight. Okay, good.
Now, we don't have it hooked to propane.
No.
So, obviously, you would do that first.
Cut your propane off.
Yeah.
Alright, now the stove's loose, so I can tuck this under. Grab it from underneath here. Now I'm going to detach the hot and cold water lines and then tuck all that underneath here, and we should be able to just remove the whole sink and everything out.
The whole piece should just pop out. What about
and then we'll take the bottom part off.
what about these hooks right here underneath the
It's on
water pump?
It's on the second part.
It's down here.
This is the front.
Oh, we're just giving you a problem.
Yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get my knife and cut the hose, and then we'll have to fix it later.
I didn't tell you, I bought a camping table.
Sweet.
That we could look into reinforcing and making a sink and all that kind of stuff for us. And it's metal, so it'll be easy to clean.
Nice.
Yep. Score! Waterfront mission.
Okay guys, here I am demoing the hot and cold water hoses and getting the drain hose down into the lower portion so we can lift off the top portion of the galley. Check it out.
that bad. It's not that heavy at all.
I think I gotta go outside and do something with this refrigerator. Alright, I had to go unsecure it from the outside so I could pull my refrigerator out. This is not the 12-volt gas electric.
Three-way.
Three-way, it's just, we took that out, got rid of it. Just got a regular mini fridge to put in here.
We got that at Walmart for like less than $100, right? $69 to $79?
Something like that.
Somewhere in there.
I usually take pictures of what's going to be replaced. So when I unhook stuff, I can just hook it right back the way it was.
That's a good tip.
Taking the switch apart so I can take this countertop out so I can replace the flooring in this camper. And then rebuild her. Redesign her, make her better.
Now, what is that switch? That's the power switch, right?
Power switch, and then the other one is for
the water pump.
We'll turn it on when we need it.
So I need to get on pop-up portal and look for a water pump switch for...
Just another toggle switch. I think it was on...
Go to pop-up portal and find out.
Or that Coleman website.
Oh, yeah.
That switch.
Coleman parts?
Yeah.
No, Coleman pop-up parts.
Yeah,
something like that.
You save those screws.
I keep telling you, all the screws go in the red bowl. It's right
Not
next.
those.
Not
those are
those.
special screws.
Oh, my bad. Okay.
The other screws are just wood screws. Now here, I'm finding all the screwed down cleats and getting rid of all the screws for an easy removal. Nope, not so fast, as you'll see. Alright, let me see that shield right there. And then see if I can get above. Aha! There they are, the two screws. So I gotta take that shield off and then take those screws out and we can get it out. There you go, madame. You may have a back. Cabnit.
Easy does it. Uh-oh. We have a problem, Houston. All right. Now we're going to find out how bad it is. It's probably bad, because we already saw it. It was rotting over here by this fridge. Right there.
Measuring these tracks. So when I go to put them back in or design something, I can design it pretty much the same. And we're 20 3/16. Center to center, and then outer edge to outer edge. 20 5/8.
So we've got no light in here, so we're only working with these little lights right here. It's the best we've got for right now.
Knocked over that one. Alright, last of the demo. This I am replacing altogether.
Yeah. Now what is, that's all the water?
That's from being under the sink, I gather, and over the years, leakage. Just been. I'm gonna save that piece so I can at least get the full length measurement.
Alright.
And there you have it. What I'd like to do is next is get these panels off. Get, you know, everything stuck back in there. And since now we have this out, we can take that out in one piece. I ain't gotta cut it. It can just fold out and comes out.
Okay. Did you see how I rigged the camera?
Huh?
Did you see how I rigged the camera? I'm a genius! I'm also laying down. Laying down on the job.
Oh, wait.
Aha!
I'm just kidding.
He lies, I say.